Dispute between a man and his girlfriend over a funeral ends in murder-suicide.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On Friday afternoon, February 15th, the hustle and bustle in Springmount, St. James came to a dramatic halt as gunshots pierced the air when a former nightclub operator of Lilliput in St. James shot his girlfriend to death before turning the weapon on himself. The deceased man has been identified as 47-year-old Junior Fabian Wint, while the woman has been identified as 24-year-old Wendy Scarlett of Germantown, both in St. James. Reports are that, shortly after 3 p.m., the couple, who recently moved to the Flamstead Gardens community, got involved in an argument, allegedly over the female attending a funeral. The woman decided that she was going to the funeral and walked from the house, but she was chased by Wint, who is believed to have been a licensed firearm holder. He caught up with her along the roadway. Me hear when the man say, "You nah got no funeral, not over my dead body," one Springmount resident recounted. Me shocked when me see the man pull out a gun and fired one shot in the woman's head. And then him put the gun in his mouth and fire another round, killing himself, the resident continued. The police later confirmed that Wint used his 9mm Canic pistol in the fatal incident. The firearm, with a magazine containing 3 9mm rounds of ammunition, was subsequently seized. Sources said that the businessman, who was married, broke off with his wife and got involved with Scarlett, who is allegedly a mother of 2, and had been acting in a jealous manner, refusing to let her out of his sight. Unconfirmed reports are also suggesting that since Wint and his wife separated, he has been plagued with financial problems.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.